General Mkhwanazi is yet to expose more corrupt politicians. The commission that is set up, or the commission that was set up by Cyril Ramaphosa to look into or to investigate the allegations made by our General Mkhwanazi, is set to kickstart, or it is said to be live on Wednesday, which it will be 17 September. I know Guti, they'll probably broadcast this on YouTube and other channels all over IDS TV, but I will also be broadcasting that on my lives. So ungafollow manje and make sure Guti Wednesday you check it out. We will make sure Guti we are live, and we will make sure Guti we give abantu the truth through General Mkhwanazi. And with that said, Bafethu, I just want to say ukuthi the committee le parliament ayimeka kancane man, ayimeka kancane. Okwamanje we just want Mkhwanazi to go sit with the commission as prove right. I think now ufuna ukuziprova right ukuthi ama protocols, because of he did when he was speaking with July, Mkhwanazi said ukuthi the protocols and the system that are in place are making it difficult for amaphoyisa ukuthi asebenze within the borders of South Africa. So with this commission, I think Mkhwanazi is just there to prove his statement correct and to prove us rightful to Guti sitting down and speaking about corruption with no arrests that will be made as the result of this corruption that we are facing in South Africa because of the protocols and the system that is in place that is said Guti it's fighting corruption and it's fighting these criminals. I sebenzi, and I'll be very happy after the commission kungabi nama arrest, because of Mkhwanazi will come back and say ukuthi yabona ngintshela labantu laba they are well connected, but with the 121 dockets ngizobabopha bonke futhi. That's what we support. The committee, all they can do, Julius Malema, instead of waiting and demanding Mkhwanazi to make himself available, the least they can do is get copies Zalama 121 dockets and call the people who are on those dockets to come answer to a committee. Mkhwanazi umsebenzi wakhe mningi kakhulu. Just recently uqeda ukubopha umshana kaJacob Zuma. Just recently uqeda ukubopha abantu who were wanted for a heist in and around KZN. And then just recently he's being told ukuthi Wednesday next week uyafuneka ufunwa a commission. Then manje futhi ne committee awabafethu animeni kancane. Animeni kancane sithi hands off manje kuMkhwanazi. Sesithi hands off manje. Committee hayi.